Welcome back, YouTubers. Thank you for joining me. And today I'm working on a 2008 Toyota Camry. This is the V6 3.5 liter. We're doing the rear brakes on this vehicle. So the first thing you want to do, jack up and support the car. And then I've already loosened up the lug nuts. They're going to be 21 millimeter. All five of them. I'm sorry, 5. There's 5 lug nuts. And then take off your tire, put it under the car. Always. Me, I like to always put the tire under the car. After you got your tire off, you want to remove your brake caliper. So behind here, this is your brake caliper. Behind your brake caliper is going to be 2 of the 14 millimeter bolts. It's going to be one right here on top, and then the other one's going to be down here in the back. I'll show you guys that one right there. This one, they're 14 millimeter. Got this one, and then this top one right there. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. There's one right there, and here's the other one. Then before you pull off your caliper, you follow this hydraulic line. There's going to be a bolt right here holding this bracket, the brake line bracket. It's a 12 millimeter. 12 millimeter, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Like that. The line should come off, which I already took it off. I'm just showing you guys for demonstration. Then you go back to your caliper. Just pull off your caliper. Slide it out, just like that. Pick it up. It's long enough. I mean, usually I hang it, get out of the way, but since it's long enough, we'll just set it. You slide it on the floor like this. See, it's long enough. It'll just get out of the way. That's fine. Then you pull your brakes off. You got the front one here. And you got the rear one back here. Then now, if you want to take off your rotor, you have to go after this bracket. This is the caliper bracket. It holds your bracket onto the to the hub assembly itself. So back here is going to be another 14 millimeter back here. I'm sorry, guys. It's going to be 2 back here. I'll try to show you guys. Let me put the camera. Let me point the. So if you go behind the caliper, behind the rotor. Back here, this is the caliper bracket right here, this one. And you follow it. It's gonna be 2 of these bolts. This one and that one. They're 14 millimeter. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. These are gonna be on pretty tight. So if you want, you get a long extension and then take it off. I'm gonna take it off and I'll show you guys how to remove your rotor. Okay, so the 2 caliper brackets bolts are loose. I'm gonna pull them off right now. 1, 2. Just go ahead and pull the caliper bracket off. Set it to the side. Then if you want to change your rotor, this is your chance. It's seized on there. You guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's really rusted. So a lot of people would say grab a hammer and beat the rotor if you're changing it, but don't do that. I'm gonna show you guys the best way to do it. You grab 2 little screws, right, like this. Right? Modern cars will have these little holes right here. You guys see they're threaded? I don't know if you guys can see, but they're threaded. But grab yourself 2 little screws like this and just thread it in there. And then this right here are 10 millimeters. So you just want to tighten them down. Tighten the bolts down. But it'll come on. You keep on driving like this. See how it came off already? That's the best way, guys. Use 2 little screws like this. You don't have to beat it with the hammer or nothing like that. The rotor should just come off. See? I'm gonna take the rotor off with 2 hands. I'm gonna set the phone down. All right, so I managed to get the rotor off right there. Inside here, these new modern cars, they have what's called a secondary brake, which is the parking brake. They have inner brakes and outer brakes now. So this would be called your inner brakes or your parking brake. If you want to change them or adjust them, now's your chance. Clean it up. This is the keepers that holds the brake, the shoes in. There's one on each side. I'll probably have to show you guys next time because I'm not doing parking brakes. Just showing you guys how to do rear brake pads and rotors. And then if you go under, there's always going to be an adjusting screw right there. That's the adjusting screw right there. Try to show you guys. This one right there. This little thing. And if you want to adjust your parking brakes, now's your chance to do it. Clean it with brake clean. Put it all back together. And then grab your new rotor. If you're doing new rotors and brakes, put it on. These rotors don't take any screws. Some rotors do have a locking screw, but this one doesn't. And then put your brake caliper bracket back on, which is 2 of these little 14 millimeters to this caliper bracket. After you put your caliper bracket on, reassemble your brake pads, new brake pads. And then reassemble your brake caliper, which is going to be 2 14 millimeters on top and bottom. And then this line right here is going to be a 12 millimeter again. You want to make sure you have your brake caliper tool. It goes in here like this. And then this is the ratchet style. I really like this. You know, goes in here. Just ratchet away. Squeeze this piston back. Insert your new brake pads. Insert your caliper. And you guys should be done. You guys should be good to go. You guys should be done. Yeah, that's how you do your brakes on your 2008 Toyota Camry. You guys remember, this is the V6 model. So I'm pretty sure the brakes might be a little different, might be bigger or smaller. You want to double check with your auto parts or your parts supplier. But yes, this is how you do your brakes on your 2008 Toyota Camry V6. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Always, number one, be safe.